Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online learning initiative, children. Today we are going to see the importance of planning. Planning has 6 importances. It provides direction, it reduces the risk of uncertainty, it reduces overlapping and wasteful activities, promotes innovative ideas, facilitates decision making, establishes standard for controlling. We'll see each one in detail. First, planning provides direction. Just think, in an organization, if there is no planning and if employees are coming on a daily basis and just they produce whatever they want, they work in the way how they like, whether the company will be able to achieve any target or goal set? Definitely not, isn't it? So only when planning is done, it provides direction for each and every employee to achieve a particular target. Planning is done for the whole organization, department wise and also individually. So that's why planning provides direction for everybody's effort to coordinate. Next, planning reduces the risk of uncertainty. We know pretty well business environment is highly uncertain, and every time when we plan, we always develop premises. We always develop premises, and we actually assume, by doing this premises we assume about our future by analyzing the market situation, and we equip ourselves to anticipate for the changes. Okay, so in that way planning reduces the risk of uncertainty. Planning reduces overlapping and wasteful activity. As planning clearly says what to do, how to do, each and every individual will know what they are supposed to do in the organization. So duplication of work is avoided because of this. Okay, and planning will give each and everyone's target individually, so that all those activities related to achieve the target alone will be done, and other activities they are considered as wasteful and they will be eliminated. That is why planning helps in reducing overlapping and wasteful activities. Next, planning promotes innovative ideas. As we all know, one of the work of the top level manager is to have a good psychological efficiency, isn't it? Because they are supposed to plan for the whole organization, they have to work mentally. They do not work physically like the workers. They are supposed to plan for the whole organization. They have to think, they have to analyze the environment or the market, and they have to assume about the future, and most of their assumptions should be matching with the practical future, so that their plan becomes successful. So they always have to foresee the future and they have to plan for the whole organization. So that is why the top level manager has to be psychologically sound or mentally sound enough, so that they will always have a clear foreseeing of the future and their plan becomes successful. Okay, so in this way it promotes innovative ideas at the time of planning. Next, it facilitates decision making. Planning is about deciding, because we may have many alternatives to achieve the particular goal. But when we select a particular alternative, we would have discussed about the pros and cons of the alternative, and we have come to a conclusion that this alternative will definitely lead the organization to success. So that is why we need to be very confident in the decisions taken when we are in planning. Okay, so that's why we say planning facilitates decision making. Among the available alternatives, we decide and choose a particular alternative. Okay, next, planning establishes standard for controlling. First, before going into this, we will see what is controlling. Controlling is actually comparing the actual performance with the planned performance. So what do we do in planning process? In planning, we actually set standards. Okay, only at the time of planning we set standards, and these standards can either be quantitative or qualitative. Okay, quantitative or qualitative. So with this as standard, during controlling function we will just compare the planned performance with the actual performance of the employees. Suppose if there is any deviation, we take measures to control it and get them back to the target. Okay, so in this way planning establishes standards for controlling. Thank you, children.